Ever wonder how a mutual assistance group can strengthen a prepper's survival plan? Well, let's dive right in. A mutual assistance group, or MAG, is a collective of individuals who band together to pool resources, skills, and knowledge. It's like a survival dream team, each member bringing their unique abilities to the table. Think about it. If you're a solo prepper, you've got to be a jack of all trades. But with a MAG, you've got a variety of specialists on hand. Maybe you've got a medical professional, a farmer, a mechanic, or a veteran in your group. This diversity of skills can significantly enhance your group's resilience and adaptability in a survival situation. The importance of a MAG for a prepper cannot be overstated. It's not just about having more hands on deck, it's about having the right hands on deck. And let's face it, when the going gets tough, the tough get going. Together. Remember, in survival situations, there's strength in numbers. Think about starting your own mutual assistance group. Here's how to get going. First things first, to start a mutual assistance group, you need to find like-minded individuals. These are people who share your values, understand the importance of preparation, and are willing to work together in times of crisis. Attend local meetups, join online communities, or reach out to friends and family who you think might be interested. Remember, it's not about the number of people in your group, but about their commitment and cooperation. Once you've gathered your group, it's time to set some clear objectives. What are you preparing for? Natural disasters, economic collapse? It's essential to have a shared vision so that everyone knows what they're working towards. This will guide your group's actions and decisions as you move forward. Now that you have your team and your objectives, it's time to assign roles and responsibilities. This is where the beauty of a mutual assistance group truly shines. Everyone has something unique to bring to the table. Maybe you have a member who's a whiz with a wrench, another who's a master at preserving food, or someone who's got extensive medical knowledge. Identify these skills and assign roles accordingly. This way, everyone knows what they're responsible for and can focus on honing their specific skills. Don't forget, communication is key. Regular meetings will keep everyone on the same page and provide a platform for members to share ideas, concerns, and progress. Whether it's a weekly meetup at the local coffee shop or a monthly virtual meeting, consistency is crucial. Finally, remember that a mutual assistance group is not just about survival, but also about community. It's about building relationships with people who you can rely on and who can rely on you. It's about knowing that when the chips are down, you've got a team of people who've got your back. Starting a mutual assistance group is about building a community for survival. Now that you've got your group, how can you make the most of it? Well, let's dive right in. You've taken the first step, you've formed your mutual assistance group, or MAG, but now the real work begins. It's not just about gathering people together, it's about creating a community, a cohesive unit that can support, learn from, and depend on each other. One of the key components of making your MAG work is holding regular meetings. These are not just social gatherings, although the camaraderie is an added bonus. They are essential platforms for planning, strategizing, and coordinating. Whether it's discussing potential threats, identifying resources, or creating emergency plans, regular meetings ensure everyone is on the same page. Now let's talk about skill-sharing sessions. You see, in a MAG, every member brings something unique to the table. It could be medical knowledge, a knack for gardening, mechanical skills, or even proficiency in communication technologies. Skill-sharing sessions are the perfect opportunity for each member to teach others their expertise. It's like having a personal masterclass in survival skills, making your group stronger and more self-reliant. Next up, we have group exercises. Think of these as practical exams, a chance to put all that planning and learning to the test. It could be a simulated power outage, a mock search and rescue operation, or a simple camping trip to practice outdoor survival skills. The idea is to learn by doing, to identify gaps in your preparation, and to improve collectively. Finally, we must touch on the significance of communication and conflict resolution. In any group dynamic, disagreements are inevitable. However, in a MAG, unresolved conflicts can be dangerous. It's crucial to foster an environment where open, honest communication is encouraged and conflicts are resolved amicably and efficiently. Utilizing your mutual assistance group effectively means fostering a cooperative and learning environment. So keep these principles in mind, and your MAG will be more than just a group. It'll be a well-oiled, self-reliant machine ready to face any challenge. It's not all smooth sailing. What are some challenges you might face with your mutual assistance group? In the world of mutual assistance groups, or MAGs, There are a few common hurdles that can trip up even the most organized and well-intentioned teams. Let's delve into what these challenges might look like and offer some sage advice on how to navigate through them. One of the first hurdles you may encounter is differences in opinion. As the old saying goes, too many cooks spoil the broth. With a diverse group of individuals, there's bound to be a wide array of perspectives and ideas. These differences can be a strength, bringing a richness of knowledge and experience to the table. But they can also lead to disagreements, which, if not managed correctly, can cause rifts within the group. The key here is to foster a culture of respect and open communication. Encourage members to voice their opinions and make sure everyone's heard. Remember, it's about finding common ground and working towards a shared goal. Next up, commitment issues. It's common for people to have varying levels of commitment. Some may have the time and energy to contribute more than others. This can lead to friction and feelings of resentment if not addressed properly. It's crucial to set clear expectations from the get-go and understand that everyone's circumstances may differ. Be flexible and patient, but also hold members accountable. Lastly, privacy concerns. In a MAG, you're sharing resources and potentially personal information. It's essential to establish trust and ensure that everyone's privacy is respected. Create guidelines on what information is shared and how it's handled. This will help to build a secure and respectful environment. These challenges may seem daunting, but they are not insurmountable. With a little foresight, clear communication, and a sprinkle of patience, you can navigate these hurdles and foster a strong, resilient mutual assistance group. After all, it's the challenges we face that shape us, that make us stronger. Facing challenges in your mutual assistance group is inevitable, but overcoming them strengthens the group. Let's wrap up what we've learned about starting and utilizing a mutual assistance group. We've delved into the importance of these groups, commonly known as MAGs. In the unpredictable world we live in, having a network of people you can rely on is not just comforting, it's crucial. A well-structured MAG can offer a wealth of resources, knowledge, and skills that one person alone simply can't match. It's the essence of strength in numbers. Starting your own MAG is an endeavor all its own. It begins with finding like-minded individuals who share your preparedness mindset. This could be friends, family, or even neighbors. Once you've got your core group, it's all about laying down clear guidelines, roles, and responsibilities. Remember, communication is key in a MAG. Everyone should know what's expected of them and what they can expect in return. Now, making the most of your MAG is where things really get interesting. It's not just about pooling resources, but also about maximizing each member's unique skills and abilities. A good MAG is like a well-oiled machine, with each part contributing to the whole. Training together, sharing knowledge, and planning for various scenarios will ensure your group's readiness when the chips are down. But just like anything worthwhile, MAGs come with their share of challenges. Disagreements can arise, and conflicts can escalate. It's important to have a solid conflict resolution strategy in place. Transparency, respect, and mutual understanding are paramount in maintaining harmony in the group. And remember, a MAG is not just about survival, but also about thriving. It's about building a community that can withstand adversity and come out stronger on the other side. It's about cooperation, mutual support, and the will to survive no matter what. With the right approach, a mutual assistance group can be a prepper's best ally. It's about community, cooperation, and survival. Ready to build your mutual assistance group? The journey of 1,000 miles begins with but a single step, and the first step towards forming your own group is to get started. There's no time like the present, and every moment you wait is a moment lost. So, let's seize the day, folks. Get out there and find like-minded individuals who share your vision for preparedness. Start those conversations, build those relationships, and remember, it's about mutual assistance. We're stronger together than we are apart. And hey, why not share this video with others who might be interested? Spread the knowledge, ignite the spark, and together, we can build a network of preparedness that spans the globe. Remember, the strength of the pack is the wolf, and the strength of the wolf is the pack. Stay prepared, stay safe.